Hi sir,
Hi.
my name is Charan. Yeah, I'm from Drone Expo team. I wanted to ask you a few questions related to the exhibition and new products that you're featuring.
Sure.
So, can we start with a brief about yourself and your company?
Okay, my name is Pratik. I look into the Aero GCS,
Okay.
which has been used by many manufacturers
Okay.
for their type certification of the drone.
Mm.
So what we do is basically is provide the software to them for flying their drone.
Okay.
So this is covered in the GCS this is covered by the GCS software, and we have a market share of around 60 to 70% in the manufacturing industry where we provide the software.
Okay. And what about your company? I want a brief history about your company.
Okay,
Something what you
so our company name is Passenger Drones Research Limited.
Okay.
So passenger drones refers to air taxis. We started from something called as air taxis. Then we pivoted to drone software solutions, and now we are working in that domain.
Okay. And any specific products that you featured here this year?
So we are featuring Aero GCS for drone manufacturers, and two are there, that is Drone Naksha and Pixstock. I mean, Aditya can give you a brief about Drone Naksha and
So
Pixstock.
for drone naksha and pixel, drone naksha is used for mapping purpose. Means there are many areas that we need to map. Let's say for road mapping or village mapping. When we capture the images using drones, we gather the images. We upload those images on our platform Drone Naksha, and those are processed, different and visualized on our platform.
Okay. Right. And I also want to know about your feedback about the footfall visitors that we are getting. How's your feedback about the visitors?
The footfall is good.
Yes.
This is the first time we are exhibiting over here.
Okay.
So we expect the drone companies more to participate in this event.
Okay.
So that could be certain sector which we have to work on. That more companies get on the board, and there's more. I mean, what do we say? As more companies get on the board, and there's more networking happening because the major sector goes into the fire expo, and there's little bit here and there.
Yes. Yeah, we are hoping to increase our expenditure
Yes,
from next
yes,
year.
sure.
Okay. Great. And how do you rate your total overall experience with Drone Expo this year?
I mean, it was great. It was great.
We had many visitors for
Our products.
service providers that are providing services all over India,
Okay.
and also that are means agriculture spraying drones that are manufacturing the drones. So we had many visitors like that.
Great. And what's your plan for the next year? Because in next year we are having a show in Delhi.
Okay, so we haven't thought about it. Let's
Okay.
conclude this for this year,
Okay.
and then we would be hoping to see you next year as well.
Okay. Thank you for your valuable time, and I really hope to see you next year in Delhi as well.
Sure, sure.
Thank you.